Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Williams. I will be doing a few literacy videos. Hopefully you can see my screen. And this is literacy. You have your green MyView workbook to use this week. And we're in the third 6 weeks, and we're at week 4 of your workbook. Our focus is to make sure that you know your letters from A to Z, that you can name them. Also, working on your sounds from A to Z, and make sure you can name your letters uppercase, lowercase, and make sure that you can do them out of order. So make sure that you're practicing the names of the letters and then also the sounds. By now you should know most of your letters and most of your sounds. If not, continue to practice so that you can learn those quickly. Remember that the vowels A, E, I, O, and U are vowels that make 2 sounds. So make sure you're practicing that. Remember that you need to know those quickly. So when you're sounding out words, you're not having to figure out or think about what sound does it make. You just can look at it and know quickly that the letter, what sound it makes. So if you're looking at the letter O, you just look at it and know it's ah or it's O. So not having to think for a long time, so that it'll help you with your blending when you're sounding out words. Students need to know their sounds quickly and out of order. You need to practice your high frequency words and know them quickly. If you need another list, you can contact your teacher on Class Dojo, and then also here I will have in the video a few lists, and I'll continue to add word lists for your child to practice. You can use index cards and write them down and let them practice. Please make sure you're using PathBlazers daily for reading and math. That will also help your child with their reading. They're really, really good lessons on there, and it works at their level. Google Classroom is where you'll find weekly assignments for each subject. Kindergarten teachers will post lessons, activities, videos to help complete assignments. Assignments will be posted by Monday morning and due on Sunday by midnight. Please try to do the work daily so that your child has time to retain the information and not overwhelmed by doing all the work in one day. I know sometimes we get busy and we try to think, oh, I haven't done the assignments, and then you try to do them all on Friday or all on Saturday. Try to space it out as much as you can so that they have time to digest what it is they're supposed to be learning and not feel overwhelmed. PathBlazers is a district required computer program. It's something that they must do for reading and math. The icon is going to be an oil lamp, and it's in the same place that you look for Google Classroom. It's in the Launchpad class link /D page. They may need their username and password. I sent mine out with the report card, but if you're having trouble or need help, just reach out to your teacher. First thing is the letters of the alphabet, and here is a picture of the uppercase and the lowercase. And so we have our letters, and let's say them out of order and see if you can do it as well. So we have G, N, U, F, M, T, Z, E, L, S, Y, D, K, R, X, C, J, Q, W, B, I, P, V, A, H, O. And so you try and see if you know all the letters that are uppercase. Now I'm going to practice and show you the lowercase. And so you can go in any direction that you like. Um, Normally we know A, B, C, D, but if you go in a different order, it really shows if you know those letters. So this time I'm going to go backwards and I'm going to start with Z. So this is the lowercase letters that we have. Ready? Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. And now you try and see if you're able to say those lowercase letters. I was talking with my students about how different letters look differently. And so now with computers, there's all different fonts of making letters look differently. And so you may see the G this way, and then you may see it another way. You may see the A different way, like the letter Q, it may curve up, but in this one it's just straight down. So students have to learn different fonts of the letters that they see. Okay, next we have a video that I hope you can hear. I'm going to play it and let you listen and practice the letters and the sounds. If you can't hear it, it's Have Fun Teaching, and this one is the alphabet song and the phonics song. And hopefully you can hear it. And make sure you sing in practice. Mhm. All right. So if you didn't get a chance to practice, you can always rewind the video and go back and practice those sounds. Make sure you practice every day. I notice sometimes when we stop doing that, we forget those sounds or we forget the names of the letters. So always try to practice at least once a day to make sure that you haven't forgotten any of those letters and sounds. Here is the high frequency words. I mentioned those at the beginning of the video. And this is the first set for Unit 1. And we have write the words on index cards for your child to learn. So you can practice these words. Make sure you practice these daily so that you don't forget them. It's very important you learn the words so that you will help you with your reading. I'm going to say the words and you can say them after me. Ready? I like, have, my, with, she. Next row. Am, to, is, we, me, see. Next one. The, a, he, make, for, look. And so make sure you're able to read those words quickly. Most of the kids right now have learned at least 25 words. So make sure you're practicing at home so that you can learn 25 words. You may already know 25 words. So make sure and practice your next list or make sure you practice the next set of words. I'll be doing part 2